In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for Lowe's. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my device. Going to head on over to Google. And now inside the Google search box here, I'm going to type in promo codes for Lowe's. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now if I scroll down, you'll see different third-party websites offering promo codes. So we've got Coupon Nation here, 10% off. Got Marie Claire, 10% off, Real Time Me Not, 20% off, etc, etc. So you can check out any one of these sites. They do work. So for this demonstration, I want to check out Real Time Me Not with 20% off promo codes. So you can see here, they've got 50 verified offers on June the 16th. I'm making this video on that date. These offers change daily or weekly, so you can come back and check them out when they do change. So you can click on any one of these offers to activate any of these deals. So if I want 15% cashback on animal and pet care, I can use that. I can do the $5 or $50 Lowe's coupon with text sign up, and you can see there's 179 uses today. So I can click on that offer, 20% off when you open and use a new account with my Lowe's reward credit card. So you simply click on any one of these to activate those deals.